And you can really get a lot of volume. Again, there's so many settings. If you wanna get it really hot or you wanna shoot it with cold air, you can use different fan speeds. T3 is such a good brand. So to me, this is so much more worth it than the Dyson. Another viral thing that I've been seeing people do, and it works like a charm, is just get these jumbo hair curlers. They are super cheap, and they're just kind of like the Velcro kind that latches onto your hair. But all you do is take the top sections of your hair and then, curl your hair around and maybe just clip it with a bobby pin or whatever, and then go about your day for maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour. And then if you wanna maybe use a hair dryer just to add some heat, you could, but sometimes I don't even do that. And then you just release it like a half an hour later, and it creates so much volume on the top. And then you can hairspray if you want, maybe some dry shampoo, but it really just lifts your hair, and it's just such a cheap, easy option. I just wanna clarify, I did not use these today. I have no volume at the top of my hair. I'm on day 6 or 7 of not washing my hair, so I don't think, it's just kind of weighed down. Next we have this activated charcoal deodorant, which I am just always on the hunt for a healthy, a legitimately healthy deodorant that actually works. So I love the ingredients in this. It smells amazing. It's infused with so many essential oils, but also the main ingredient is activated charcoal along with coconut oil. But the thing is, it legitimately works, which I love, and it actually seems like a real deodorant. Some of them are just weird, but this applies like an actual deodorant, smells great, and it actually works. So if you're wanting to try something, give this a go. Next we have a viral foot file. Yes, a foot file. And I don't have tons of footage for this one because I'm not going to show you Josh's feet, but I assure you, this works wonders. Yes, it does. I've ordered many a foot file in my time because I don't know, it's something he struggles with. I actually have decent feet around my heels. I know a lot of people struggle with a lot of dead skin cells and stuff around their heels, which is why sometimes people actually get pedicures, but this works so well. He loves it, even though it's pink, it looks girly, but it really just it sloughs off the skin and it leaves you with baby soft feet. And I wish you could just jump through the screen here and literally take your finger and feel this, but it works. It works wonders. The last beauty recommendation before we move on is the Saint Tropez self-tanning face mist. And I think that's why I love it so much. It's the mist. I think that is the key to applying facial tanner. Sometimes you have to, rub it in, it's all streaky, the color's weird, it's on your hands. This mist is so incredibly fine that you just spray it on your face, it naturally lays there, you let it dry, you wake up in the morning, and you have this beautiful, subtle, natural looking glow. You can just leave it there if you want, or if you do wanna build it up and do it another night, you can do it as well and kind of get it to your liking. But it's really the application, and the color that just works so well. Next, let's move into the home category, starting with these puck lights, which can be used all throughout your home in so many different ways. I actually bought them for different spaces here in my closet, but you could use them in pantries, underneath your cabinets, in your kitchen. They're so easy to use and they're really, really versatile. You can move them around. They are battery operated. They're really bright. They come with screws if you wanna make them more permanent, and they come with the 3M sticker things, which is what I am using, and all I did was stick it to this one cabinet I have right up there that, my whole closet is pretty lit, but in this one cabinet, it's very dark. So I started with one. I might add a few more on different levels because I have different shelves, but it also comes with a remote. So if you wanted to use them in your kitchen and just line underneath your cabinets, you're not gonna see any wires, and then you can just turn them on. You can even set different timers so that they stay on for a certain amount of time. You can change the dimness. It's just, I don't know, they're really, really, really good. Another viral product that I'm going to be using in my closet, not necessarily out here, but in this kind of back closet I have to really save space. I think this would be great for so many people, but it's kind of just a chain with a hook, and you actually just hang clothes on each link and it just smushes them all together. You can still see everything you have, but it really, really, really saves space so well, and it's really easy to use and a great price. Now, if you guys have pets in your home, maybe a dog or a cat, this is like the latest and greatest brush it's like a wire brush. It's super fine. Like your pet will love it. It's so comfy, but it really gets the hair out. I mean, but like in a comfortable way. And then at the end, it has like this button. You press the button again, and then the bristles kind of suck back in, and you can just wipe the hair off so easily. I literally brushed my cat for maybe 10 seconds, and this is how much hair it got off. She doesn't even shed that much. This just works really well. Next, let's talk about these purse hooks.